Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this very simple but delicious Kenyan French toast or egg toast or toast mayai, whichever you want to call it. So welcome. So first step, you break your eggs one at a time. For me, I was using 3 eggs. Step 2, add your milk, just a quarter cup of milk, just a little. Then a half tablespoon of salt you add, and then almost full 1 full tablespoon of sugar you add. Then you add your vanilla essence, and then you mix everything up. You set that aside, and then you take your bread, start applying blue band to your slices of bread on one side of the slice. I applied for at least 6 slices. You apply to the slices that you want to use for the French toast. And then you heat your pan, then add cooking oil, and then you start dipping the slices of bread into the egg solution, each slice, and make sure both sides are well coated, and do not soak the bread for so long. And then you take that bread into your frying pan and start frying for about 2 to 3 minutes until it turns golden brown, and then you flip it on the other side. Repeat the same procedure for all of your slices, and you are done. And that's how you prepare your Kenyan French toast or toast mayai or egg toast. Simple, and it's very sweet, very delicious, perfect for breakfast. It's actually a heavy breakfast. This is so perfect for breakfast. Let me know, guys, would you try this recipe? I know there are so many ways to prepare this. This is just my way. Let me know if you're going to try it. And that's the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content like this video. Share with your friends and families, and comment down below. Would you try it? Would you eat or pass? Bye bye, till next time.